Legacy systems are often a tangled web of outdated technologies. They hinder innovation and complicate modernization efforts. Understanding these systems is crucial for any successful transformation. Traditional AI tools fall short, lacking the persistent intelligence needed for effective governance. They fail to provide the continuity required for long-term modernization success. Our engineering intelligence framework transforms fragmented legacy knowledge into a cohesive, persistent intelligence. It captures and structures engineering knowledge across the enterprise, ensuring a clear modernization path. By focusing on contextual understanding and validated experimentation, we provide a robust foundation for modernization. This framework is designed to support continuous improvement and innovation. The framework includes engineering knowledge capture, which preserves critical information. Persistent engineering memory organizes this knowledge, while the relational intelligence model maps dependencies and relationships. AI-guided workflows refine engineering knowledge, and human validation ensures accuracy. Experimentation accelerates delivery, reducing risk and enhancing modernization efforts. Our framework offers persistent intelligence, governed by human oversight, ensuring trust and reducing resistance. It creates a reusable modernization memory, accelerating delivery with evidence-based decisions. Join us in transforming your enterprise's modernization journey. Embrace the future with confidence and clarity. Let's build a smarter, more efficient tomorrow together.